DHT is about to go digital, posting on socials and all. All right. So, are you editing your post? All right, cool. So, what you're gonna do is open a new tab on your Google screen. Oh no, try on your laptop. Cool.
Okay.
It might be better. Okay, you're perfect there. You're perfect. So now, before you type anything, go to open a new tab. Sign up. Make sure you sign up. That's it. That's the one. Ooh, so we got how many minutes? You said 5.
Try for free.
Sure. Oof, if we can do this in the time frame, I think that would be pretty cool. 6 minutes left, guys. 6 minutes. What do you want to say on your post? You have an idea? Okay. What about Bloemfontein training do you want to say? In your chat box down at the bottom. Tell it what you want it to do. I'm doing a Facebook post. I'm promoting this event. I need a post. Tell me if it's rendered anything. Did it come through? A lot came through. Alright, so that's AI giving you stuff that you can just copy and paste.
So this is
It's so
that
cool.
chat thing.
Yeah.
It's like ChatGPT, it's just a different AI platform. Make sure your link is in there. And then let's see what sort of response we get.
That link,
Put your link.
that bucket thing.
Your link. We don't have a website yet, but we'll use what we've got. It is usually enough. Think about in the meantime what you want your post to say, what is the purpose of your post. Right? So if you are posting, you're posting for a couple of reasons. You want to create awareness, that's a reason to post. You want to market and promote, that's a reason to post. So in this next post, maybe think of it as you are promoting your link. Okay, leveraging of DHT content. So DHT is hosting an event, there's a poster. Hey fam, sign up to my link. Did you post it?
Yeah.
What does your post say? Can you read it out to us?
And get ready to enhance your skills and expand your knowledge at a highly anticipated training event. Key highlights: interactive workshops led by industry experts, cutting-edge presentation of the latest trends and techniques, networking opportunities with like-minded professionals, hands-on activities to apply what you've learned. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to level up your expertise and connect with fellow professionals in Bloemfontein. Register now to secure your spots, limited seats available. To register, contact us with the link there.
Oh, nice.
Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your career, this training event is perfect for anyone looking to gain valuable insight and staying ahead of their field. Spread the word and magic.
Power. So what I would do for that, maybe tag people, tag Mr. Yugen, tag DHT page, tag Clint, tag all those trainers that from Facebook. When you tag, you are asking your information or your post to come up on their timeline. Which means their people see it. Yeah.